Here is how to change your Facebook password on your desktop browser and in the mobile app. Click the triangle in the upper right-hand corner. Click Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. On the left-hand side, click Security and Login. Find the Login section, and next to Change Password, click the Edit button. Then, type in your current password, your new password, and then retype your new password again, and click Save Changes. On the iPhone app, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the lower right-hand corner of the app. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy and tap it. Tap Settings. Under the Security section, tap Security and Login. Under the Login section, tap Change Password. Type in your current password, your new password, and then retype your new password again and tap Update Password.